Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a DIY project. I am going to be hanging a pegboard in my laundry room so that I can hang up all of my cleaning supplies and other supplies that need a place to be stored. So I have already kind of started on my project, but I'm going to show you what I'm working with and how I'm going to get this pegboard up. This is what my laundry room looks like right now. I painted the back wall black and then I added some custom shelves. So there's my laundry room. Hey babe, it's kind of messy, so y'all just excuse me. Alright, so what I have done is I am going to be hanging the pegboard on this back wall right here. I don't really have a lot of room to show you the entire space, but I got some 2x4 boards. I had them cut to the size that I wanted them to be. I want this pegboard to fit the entire wall. So let me just kind of show you what I've done. I have found, so I have like this little mark, you can't really see it, which is good, but I found studs and I made sure to screw in the 2x4 to the studs, and then I just added some extra nails for secure purposes. No, they're not all lined up properly, which, you know what, I honestly don't even care, but I'm going to be hanging the pegboard on these things. So I have another 2x4 board that I'm gonna hang on the other side, and then I'm gonna put 2 across and then 1 down the middle. Okay, so after I have put the right board up, I'm going to go over to the other side and put the left board up. The reason why I didn't put 1 across the top first is because when I had them cut the boards, I didn't even think about having them cut it to be the size that I need it to be on the inside of the 2 sideboards, if that makes any sense at all. So basically the top board is too long, so I need to put up the 2 sideboards first to ensure that the top board and the bottom board are the correct length. So that's what I am doing first. Okay, so after I have used my level to make sure that the boards are even, I'm going to take my stud finder and find the studs, and then I'm going to take my drywall screws. They are 2-inch screws, and I am going to just screw those right into the studs. Alright, so once that board is in, I am going to measure the length between the boards on the inside, and that will give me the measurements that I need for the top and bottom boards. Okay, so here is what it looks like after the top and bottom boards have been attached. I don't know why it just went blurry there, but I'm going to take the pegboard now and I'm going to attach it to the 2x4s. No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder. Okay, if you have help at home, this would be the part that I would say get some help, because you definitely need someone to help you hold that while you screw in the pegboard to the boards on the wall, because it is not light. This pegboard is very heavy. It doesn't look like it is, but I promise you that it is. And yeah, you definitely, like, look at me struggle, y'all. You definitely need some help. So don't do what I did. Learn from me. But I did end up getting it up. It's not 100% straight, but I was to the point where I just said screw it, I don't really care. I just wanted to get the board onto the wall. So get some help. Just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout Okay, so now that the pegboard is up, I am going to use some hooks that I got from Home Depot, and I am going to go ahead and start hanging all of my cleaning supplies. Okay, so here's what the finished product looks like. I love the way that this turned out. It literally has given me so much more space to store my cleaning supplies. And here's where I'm going to show you kind of like a close-up of what everything looks like. And it looks awesome. And I'm really excited about how this turned out. So there we go. And this was super easy and it was very cost efficient. This board actually is something that has been in our garage for forever, and I was getting ready to throw it away, and then I saw something on Pinterest about using a pegboard as storage for cleaning products or for garage stuff, and I was like, maybe I can put this pegboard to use. And honestly, like, it could not be a more perfect length, and I'm glad I didn't throw it away. Because I've definitely put this to good use. And I went to Home Depot and the 2x4 boards were $3.17 a board. I bought 4 of them. And the trim head, actually not trim head screws, I bought, actually I didn't buy these, I had these from a while ago. These are actually my husband's. So the drywall screws that I used were 6 by 2 inches, number 6 by 2 inches, and they worked perfectly, so I didn't even have to go buy any nails. And this was very cost efficient for me. And if you decide that you're gonna make this, make sure that you comment and let me know how it turned out for you. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.